guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable optimized battery charging on your iPhone. So you are going to open settings and you are going to scroll down until you find battery. Select battery and wait for the whole thing to load. Actually, I think it's in battery health, so I'm just going to click battery health instead. Then as you can see, there is an optimized battery charging sort of text down there, like tab. It's to reduce battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So you are just going to then enable battery, like optimized battery charging. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!